Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to Lamsa Atelier. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a simple and beautiful daisy. Okay, without further ado, let's prepare all the tools and materials. We need 3 macrame cards. The first one, the petal card is 55 centimeters long, the leaf card 50 centimeters long, center card 25 centimeters long, and we need keyring. Okay, we also need the pin or tape or anything to secure the keyring while you are working. Okay, let's get started. First, secure the keyring by pin. Insert the leaf card 50 centimeters long through the keyring. Okay, like this. And fold it in half, just like this. And cross it. Next, place the petal card 55 centimeters long under the leaf card, like this. Then gently tighten the knot. Okay, make sure it's secure. Now let's make the first petal on the right side. Place the petal card under the leaf card from the inside to the outside. Insert the end of the card through the loop, then gently tighten the knot. Okay, repeat the same step, but this time go from the outside to the inside. And tighten the knot. Now let's move to the left side. Go from the inside to the outside, insert the end through the loop, and tighten the knot. Then repeat this step from the outside to the inside. Wow, great! Now we have finished one petal on each side. Next, let's make the center flower. Cross both petal cards under the leaf card. Take the center card and insert it from the bottom. Just like this. Tie a knot and gently tighten it until it's neat. Okay, next we will make the remaining petals. Repeat the same steps on the right side as before, just like this. Great, then do the same on the left side. Okay, now let's make the last petal and lock all the petals in place. Cross the two leaf cards. Then take both the petal card and insert through the loop from underneath. Gently pull both cards and adjust each knot until the flower looks even and neat. Next, let's make the leaf. Bring both leaf cards to the back and tie a knot. Then bring them back to the front. We will make the leaf or ribbon. Just like this. Just follow the step. Okay, great. Gently tighten the knot until look like this. Tie a small knot at the end of each card, like this. And that's it, your Daisy Macrame Keychain is finished. Thank you so much for watching, see you next time, Barakallahu fikum.